Unraveling Fish Tales, the stories behind the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore what fish tales mean. If you've ever heard someone mention a fish tale, you might be wondering what fish have to do with stories. Stay tuned to find out the intriguing connection. The phrase, fish tales, is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. Fish tales refers to stories that are exaggerated or hard to believe. They're often about fishing adventures where the size of the fish is embellished to be much bigger than it actually was. This phrase can be applied more broadly to any story that someone stretches beyond the truth. The origin of fish tales lies in the long tradition of fishing. Fishermen would often return from their trips with incredible stories about the size and strength of the fish they caught, or the ones that got away. Over time, these stories became more elaborate and unbelievable, hence the birth of the term, fish tales. When using fish tales in conversation, it's important to remember that it's used to describe doubtful stories, not to accuse someone of lying outright. It's more about playful exaggeration. Here are a couple of examples. After hearing his cousin's wild story, Michael chuckled and said, "Sounds like one of your fish tales." "I promise I'm not telling a fish tale. This actually happened to me." Fish tales have made their way into various cultural expressions, from books and movies about grand fishing adventures to everyday conversation where we talk about people who tend to exaggerate their achievements or experiences. We hope this exploration of fish tales has been enlightening and fun. English is a language rich with idiomatic expressions, and understanding them is key to mastering the language. Now, the next time you hear someone refer to a fish tale, you'll know exactly what they mean. No tall tale about that. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language insights in our next video.